start. A session actually used to store user specific data as like login details that is and can access from different pages, including the database connection, database file. Who is this on? This on include folder, this file connection. Actually included this file allow you to include with database calling a connection variable. This is with this one connection. This is connection variable which is assumed to hold connecting in MySQL database. Error message, with this one with error message exactly user displaying user invalid login credential. If user any wrong message, then it will show. If statement, this statement is that is submitted with from submission. This check when a form has been submitted, user clicked login. User clicked login, who is on below this login button. uh, Actually in this condition, when user is logged in submission, then it will perfectly work. Otherwise it is wrong message. So collect user name, password and variable. User collect from the value entity user login id, a password is in the same credential. Enter user password field. This is query, database query connection. Select id, login id from table login with this one. This is our here database name, table login, this table. And database connection, login id, username and password. Username, login id, username may variable. I have already declared a password variable. I have already declared. MySQL fetch, with this one, actually MySQL query. MySQL query run SQL query database and check if any record where the login ID matches username, password match. Capitalize, variable type. We know that variable type PHP case sensitive, lowercase, uppercase are totally different. MySQL fetch array. In this function, fetch result for query is associative array. Associative array is like named, something named. If store result of return variable. If return is greater than 0, as like valid. This condition check if row where return any query. User exist, provide a login details. If login successful, what happened this session authenticate id, login id, login id. I have already declared login id. Then it is session store user id, login id, database login id. If exist, then it will go redirect to the dashboard.php. With this one, dashboard.php. This is the dashboard file. Else, otherwise, user does not exist, as like unauthorized, invalid, no matching record found, then it will show error message, invalid details. This condition finish. This is HTML form. This is HTML form and link of some file, browser component. This is file existing as style sheet is registered list css over here. The next header body. Exactly, it is not a good practice. You can type anything body as like deep login container you can declare, but I am declared that. If empty is wrong, this is a client side messaging. With this, if someone logging to unauthorized, it will show client side this message. Okay, this error message. I have already declared the invalid details. This form from display option error message. This is error message already declared. This form is error message, and this form submitting this form login form, this jQuery validated JS. From validation, I have used jQuery validation component and this link of browser component for this reason. I have already declared all file included in this file over here, and validation form I have already used jQuery and as function ID with this ID, this ID HTML form, this ID validation, and if alphabetic, and it should be alphanumeric as like and small to Z, capitalized A to Z, 0 to 9 etc. For this validation, jQuery validation library login ID is like expression. For this summaries, I have finished DB connection. This is DB connection, student record DB, this database name student record DB, our table name, table login. This form, in this form, if user does exist with this credential encoder then it's fine, work fine. Welcome encoder. This one dashboard, just a simple view, link up many of files you can find over here. I have declared this message also string upper capitalize. Now we know that capitalize uppercase. Welcome space, then session login. With this login, session login, we have already know the session login. The session login ID, this login ID encoder, session is encoder, capitalize string, capitalize password. So it is very simple login system, but I have included then you can go admin dashboard, and it is over here navbar, student data management system, and sidebar, dashboard, and logout. After that, logout. In this code, empty is empty session admin ID or authenticate ID, invalid or null or this section, then invalid, and then in this section it is go to logout.php, redirect to this page. Then exist function script stop redirecting. After redirecting in this code, after that we'll show find out left bar.php. I have included that left bar in this page. This is navbar, student data management system, student data management system in this page, and after that div section I have added two link. One link dashboard.php in this page, redirect to same page because already in this included in this page dashboard.php in this page. After that logout.php this page. When I click, then it will log out. Again login encoder invalid because it is wrong password. Encoder, just copy and paste, then it will go dashboard. And logout system in this page session start. When session start, and the session start in the session is redirect convert, and without this you cannot access any session data. Session unset, when we are use that, it is clear all session variable, session destroy is clear all of destroy. After that location login.php, when user is logged in, then it will work, and after logout then it will go login.php, this file. Just click and go login.php. Again login, after go dashboard.php. This is dashboard. I have already included. This is left bar, left bar. This is left bar, and after finish this tutorial. If you find any error in this tutorial, let me know by commenting. I will try to resolve it. I have uploaded all code to my GitHub. Just hit showroom. This student data management system, all code over here. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. Please support me.